Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we're going to take a look at a 2026 Ranger 12 floor plan by Aliner. Now the Ranger is a great way to get started in the RV marketplace if you're looking for something like an Aliner, which is going to be an A-frame trailer that packs itself down compactly, easy to store in your garage, save yourself the storage costs, very lightweight to tow so you don't have to go changing your tow vehicle. So for example, this Ranger 12, and I'm going to bring you up and close so that you can see I'm not just saying it, it's posted on the unit. 178 pounds tongue weight, 1,674 pounds total dry weight, very lightweight. You can pull this with a minivan. So if you're looking to get started, it's a great way. Now, towing is not only about weight. So sometimes people think they need a bigger vehicle because, you know, the tow limitations. A lot of tow resistance is about air resistance and the friction that's created when you're trying to pull a big box through the air at higher speeds. And the advantage of the Aliner is that it folds down very tight and compact, giving you better fuel economy, which means less fuel, more money to spend on camping. Also compact, throw it in your garage so you're not having to go and pay $100, $150, $200 a month in storage fees somewhere. Use that money to go camping. So let's take a closer look at this Ranger 12. There's 4 stabilizer jacks, one on each corner. You have a nice blacked out rim. There's some storage over here. Now that door is closed, so unfortunately I can't show you, but it's a decent little storage. This little black cover you see here, that's for your air conditioner. Yes, I said air conditioner. On the back, there's a little hitch mount so you can put your bike rack. And that way you can take that bike with you. Okay, as we look around the back, there's our water fill for our fresh water, our water heater, our fresh water connection, our electrical connection. This will be our furnace intake and of course our outlet. There's even an outside shower. Now remember, that's not really for showering. You don't want to thrill your neighbors, but you could use it if you're out in the middle of nowhere, no one's around. There's also a solar panel hookup here. So if you were off grid, you could throw up that panel and have a little bit of electricity to run some basic items. Now let's take a look inside. You're going to have all the basic creature comforts you need. So up front, you have a dinette here for eating. It's nice and spacious. That converts for sleeping. Big window with the integrated shade. So it's all right there. Some LED lights here. A high volume 12 volt fan right above us. Big window on the side with your privacy screens. Double burner. Your single sink right here. As I mentioned, here's the furnace. So it's a direct vent. We're a small area. You don't need more than a direct vent. We have a fridge on board, so you can keep some food, couple of cold drinks right at your fingertips. Now for storage, let's take a look here. We have a nice storage compartment right here. Now you don't want to go too close to that air conditioning unit, but you've got good space there and a couple of pull-out bins down below. As I mentioned, this is your air conditioner. So if you have a generator, if you're off the beaten path or you're in a campground, you can stay nice and cool in here. Then you have a sofa that you can sit up, read, just enjoy, or pull this out. And I'm not going to do it now, but pull it out and then that converts into a bed that goes from this edge over. And that way you could sleep more people in here if need be. A young family could camp in here and enjoy the outdoors. As we go back outside so you can get an outside profile look again, this is a Ranger 12 weighing in at 1,674 pounds. Definitely a nice way to go camping. And some people may get dissuaded because they're a little bit more money than some of the full-walled trailers. But what you have to remember, a full-walled trailer is going to mean you need a space to storage. Some subdivisions in some areas, the bylaws don't allow you to keep your trailer at your home. With an A-liner, fold it up, tuck it into the garage. It's always ready to go camping. There's no extra cost because you're paying for storage. You're not driving across town to grab your trailer, and your trailer's not sitting in a storage lot where something may happen to it. You can park this in your garage, tuck it away. It's safe over the winter months if you live in the northern climates, and you save yourself a whole whack of storage money and take that money and go camping with it. Anyways, I hope you've enjoyed this short video on the Ranger 12, looking at its features. If you're interested, get out to your local dealer. They'll be able to give you more details, or check out A-Liner's website. To you, our viewers, thank you for watching the video. Please click the like and subscribe button. If you also hit the bell notification, you'll be notified of new videos as they're released. Thanks to you guys, you make the channel happen. We will talk to you and see you back soon. Bye now.